In this video, I'm going to remove the front wheel from my 2022 Fatboy 114. This bike is in the category of 2018 plus Softail frame bikes. It's got 5,000 miles on it and the front tire is done. So I'm going to show you how I do it. You should consult your service manual and be safe and use the right tools and all that sort of thing. All right, here we go. First off, right side of the bike, the tire is worn almost completely bald. We're going to replace it with a Metzeler Cruise Tech, which a lot of people really like for this bike. Obviously, you're going to need a lift, 10 millimeter to get off, 12-point socket, by the way, to get off the brake caliper. And you shouldn't let your brake caliper just dangle. So I'm going to zip tie it to the engine guard, or you could do it to the frame. I like to do that, keep it safe. Other tools you're going to need, you will need a 6 millimeter, which really surprised me that it's not SAE, but that's going to be for the pinch bolt under here. It's a 6 millimeter hex. Why is that not focusing? Then we also have this 19 millimeter hex, and I've seen some interesting things people are doing online to get that out. One of which really made me laugh was to take a spark plug wrench, socket rather, and put it in backwards and then use the 3/8 inch extension to reach through and grab that. I just like to get the right tools for the job. This guy can be gotten all over the place, eBay, Amazon, etc. And so since it's the 19 millimeter, it's just going to go in like that. I personally like to just loosen these fasteners just a bit before I lift the bike, so just personal preference. I'm going to do that now. This one's not tight at all. No need to remove it, just take the pressure off the axle. I don't think this is too tight. And it's not.
The next day.
And this just goes here. That. So everything is torqued to spec and back together. I'm looking forward to taking a ride with my new tire. I hope you found this video helpful. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till next time.